Hi guys, today I want to share this easy, very good recipe. Reminds me of like a chicken pie. We need some puff pastry, ready dough, easy, shredded cheese, diced thinly onion, some chicken diced, butter, and some salt. This is grated potato on the larger. It needs to soak in water to get some of the starch out. Drain, and then we need to really dry it out with paper towel. Place everything in this bowl, all the stuff that I've named. Mix it up. Now is our puff pastry. We're gonna roll it out to make it a little more thinner. Cut it into these squares. Place the mixture on one side. Fold, and then pinch it either with fingers like that, and then make some like holes. And then, or you can use a fork to help you kind of pinch the sides. So, and then we can brush with an egg if you want. You don't have to. Just it makes that little goldiness when it's done. So once we brush that, and I've just did one egg and maybe a little bit of water, just maybe like a tablespoon. And then we're going to put this on parchment paper, bake this on our baking sheet for 375 until it's done. Maybe about 15-20 minutes. It depends how long it's gonna take. As long as it's not burning on the side, you're okay. So yeah, and these delicious, easy. It has potatoes, it has chicken. It's like so filling and it's so good. Everybody loved it. It was gone really fast. As you can see, it's all filled with the good stuff. And it has cheese. Come on, you guys have to try. And it's easy, puff pastry. So get in your kitchen and get going. Thank you. Please like.